Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic percentage. So before starting the discussion, I want to tell you that you can get some more important mathematics problem on our website which is education-adda.com. Link is also available in the description box of this video. Okay, so where you will get math important questions. So what you have to do, you have to visit education-adda.com, then you have to select menu option, and from that you have to select academics adda, and there you will get one tab called math important questions. You can also get some more important questions on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, so visit that playlist. Okay, so coming back to the problem, what is given out of 270 racers? So there are 270 racers who started the marathon and 238 completed the race. 27 gave up and 5 were disqualified. We have to find the percentage who did not complete the marathon. Okay, so how we can solve this? See, what is given total number of races is 270, and those who have completed is 238 only, and number of racers who gave up 227, and number of racers who were disqualified is equal to 5. Okay, and we have to find the racers who did not complete the marathon. Okay, see, we know the total number of races and we know the racers who have completed the race. So number of racers who did not complete the marathon equal to total number of racers who participated in the race minus number of racers who completed the race. So it will be 270 minus 238 equal to 32. Okay, but we have to calculate the percentage of racers who did not complete the marathon. So percentage of racers who did not complete the marathon, it will be equal to number of racers who did not complete the marathon divided by total number of racers who started the marathon into 100 percentage. So it will be 32 divided by 270 into 100 percentage, and it will be equal to 11.85%. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of the topic percentage. Okay, thank you.